Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola coming back to you again from Lagos, Nigeria. So today, same day as yesterday, I am doing a video on the X1 Matebox. So this is where all your connections, your AC, DC connections and your breakers, you find them in here, and it gives you a pretty clean appearance. So when we do the installation, you see it, but let me do a quick unboxing video on the X1 Matebox, and then when we install it, I'll do a complete video showing the Matebox tied to the X1 G4, and then you'll understand how it works. So let's open it. So here is the inside of the Matebox, the box of the Matebox. So let's open it and let's see what it comes with. So as you can tell, I'm seeing this thing at the same time as you're seeing it, so bear with me if I don't get it quite right. I'm not very patient. So it comes with a registration card just like the other one, and then it comes with a quick installation manual. Typical man, I don't read things before, I read it after. So I'll show you what it comes with after I open it up, okay? So here is well, that is what you need to mount it on the wall, I believe, plus something extra. That looks like a fuse. I don't know what that fuse does. Got a key. And then here are your connectors for your AC or whatever it is for. We'll find out. Your MC4. I'd like to know what that is for too. And then here's the back that allows you to mount it against the wall. And then let's see what's in there. Oh, there's something else. And the brackets, shiny aluminum. Someone spent money doing this. And then another part of the brackets, another shiny piece of aluminum. How do Americans say aluminum? Because I never could say like Americans do. Aluminium. I even spell it, and I've not lived in Britain since 1966. So I don't know why I still pronounce it the same way. So here's what it looks like. Let's bring it out of the box, and then let's show you what's inside. And then when we do the video, we'll explain to you exactly how this works. So here is the Matebox. So it goes against the wall. The inverter is right above it. So let's go to the side. The biggest DC switch is upside down, I think. So it has to go the other way. So we've turned it, so this surface will touch the battery. This surface will mate to the battery, so you wouldn't see what's underneath here, but you could see your PV, your off-grid, which is your load, your grid, which is your AC input, your CAN connection, your battery connection, your battery cables, battery to inverter cables, your CT, which is in there. So there's off-grid, grid 2, grid 1, so you could put multiple if in event you're running multiple inverters. And then here is the side of it, like I told you earlier. It has the DC switch, so you can turn your PV off. And then back here, this is the part that mates to the inverter. So the inverter is touching right here, and the battery is touching right there. So it looks like one continuous piece. And then these are the things that plug into the inverter portion, and everything from here is a battery. So let's open it. So you can see it slides into these pins. Sorry, these pins, or this pin slides into that, and then there's a latch. You see, there's a latch that allows you to secure it. And this is a rubber gasket, so this also is waterproof. Your earth, remember that earth cable? Either from the inverter, I think it comes here, and then from this there's another one that goes to the battery. So here are your breakers. I'm not going to open this today, but here are your breakers. Here is your for your load, and then here's for the grid, and then here is your battery breaker to turn the batteries on and off. And I don't know, let me see if I can open this briefly without making a mess. Hold this for me. Hold this. No, come here. No, hold this. Right. So you can see what's inside. And I'll open it more so you could see better. But all that stuff that normally we would have to create and do, it's all in here. And that integrates into the system. So it looks like one singular system. Pretty impressive. The battery is high voltage, so they don't need very big current managing devices. And here is our AC input, LN. There's our grid. And then here are your... That's it. Very short video, very quick on the Matebox. I think I might be the first to do a video on Matebox anywhere on YouTube. So I'm pretty psyched. It's not my most coherent video because it's a product I'm still trying to learn, but I'm sure in time I'll be an expert like I became on all the other ones. So the product is called, bear with me with the shaky, X1 Matebox for X1 hybrid inverters. Max DC input voltage is 600 volts, DC current 15, battery voltage 80 to 480, max charge 30 amps, max discharge 30 amps. So remember, this is high voltage, so multiply by whatever the voltage is, and that's what the discharge is. So if we're at 80 volts, 30 times 80. If we're at 100, 30 times 100. If we're at 200, 30 times 200. Rated grid frequency, as you know, this is dual frequency. Max grid input current is 60 amps. Frequency again repeated itself on the load side. Max load current 60 amps, that's a lot though. Operating temperature minus 35 to plus 60 C, and is IP54. SolaX again. So in summary, I'm pretty excited as to how they've thought all this stuff through, how these things fit with one another. So this is going to be between the battery and the inverter, and you could see it attaches, so everything fits. So when you install it, it looks perfect. So the battery goes on first, and then after the battery the Matebox, and then after the Matebox the inverter. That's the order in which it goes in. So I cannot wait for my batteries to arrive. Once they arrive, I'll be doing a video to show you how exciting, or how excited we are about this product. Once again, it is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you had to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Once again, Dr. Sola signing off.